Alright, what's up YouTube? It's Random here. We're going to be trying to run a couple other boats today. This is the new one, the Bancroft. I think it's like the St. Tropez Yacht. I don't know, I got it just because it looked cool. It's not going to be fast or anything. And then we're trying to beat 83 with the Blackjack 24. I put on I think that's called a canard or something. You can see it's like angled down a little bit to hopefully keep her on the water. We're trying out a new prop. It's the ABC 1916, I believe. So we'll go put you on the hat cam. It's probably gonna get a little shaky for a second. And angled down, so you probably saw my feet. All right, so we go. Hopefully, let's see if I can get that in the shade. It's right in the sun. Track, start, read, zeroed out. Stop, track, start. Okay. Make sure we're moving, and we're moving. Let's see how it goes. Steering is reversed. Hold on 1 second. I hate this wheel on these things. It just jumps around. Alright, we're good. Make sure it's kind of trimmed out. This prop's crazy. Alright. Let's see what happens. Linear throttle, linear throttle. Oh, I didn't want to have to pull out the tug. All right, gonna pause the video. Back in a second. All right, just brought her back in just for shits and giggles. Let's see what she got. Stop, read, 69. I don't know if this boat can handle that prop. Track, start. Okay, let's go again. Wind's starting to pick up. Looks like it's going, I think I'm going the wrong way. I think it's going right to left. All right, let's try again. Yeah, I definitely feel the wind going that way now. We're gonna try it from the other way. Just pulling a little left, adjust the trim. All right. Yeah, that's like half throttle maybe. Oh, it's so fun. Get your heart racing. All right, let's see what it did. Alright, hopefully y'all are in frame. Stop, read. 68, horrible. Alright. Tough to do this with one hand. Alright. Back, track, start. Okay, let's set this back over here. Alright, Blackjack, come on. Making me look bad. Pulling a good bit left. I gotta go the other way. All right. Linear throttle. Got on a little bit more, about 3/4 throttle. Let's see what that one was. All right, hopefully y'all are in frame. Stop, read, 73, damn. Back, track, start. Well, we gotta go again. Motor's probably hot, but 73 is horrible. For all of you who didn't see the last video, we got 83, so I'm trying to beat 83. At this point, I just want to get in the 80s. We're gonna go all out this time. If it flips, it'll at least be fun on video. Linear throttle. Oh, I got full throttle for a second there. It was staying down. Let's see. Let's see what she did. All right. Got the phone. Stop. Read 75. Alright, she's probably pretty warm, so we're gonna let her cool down. I don't know if this prop is just making too much lift or what, but alright. Pull all these off, check some temps real quick. I actually remembered to bring a towel this time. Let me know what you guys think, if I should try. I originally put some wings right here, and I thought about it. I had some suggestions in the Facebook post I did that try the canard, kind of like the hydros have, like the UL19 in between the sponsons. It's actually not too hot. Let's say probably like 120 or so. 122. ESC is a little warm, 137. All right, we'll let her cool down. Maybe take her for another run in a second. All right, so this one I got on a Motion RC. It's obviously a yacht. Hopefully y'all are in frame. It's got all the scale details. This is like wood paneling. It's like some kind of polycarbonate plastic. But I actually ordered some Amazon 1/24 scale people, like sun loungers and stuff. So we're gonna glue those on, and it should be kind of cool. All right, turn that on. Plug her in. Turn it on. These posts are kind of a bitch to get in. All right, there we go. We got rudder. Let's see the bottom. We got the rudder. And wasn't too smart to hit the throttle against the bench, but let's see what she does. And my tug's floating away. Probably not good. Hang on. What are you doing, tug? It's supposed to be on the shore. All right. Damn, this yacht looks awesome in the water. And that's the max speed. Turned pretty good. We may have to put a brushless motor in this one. Trim's pulling a little right, but we'll fix that later. I guess it's a yacht, it's not meant to go fast. It looks pretty cool. It'll be cool for the boys when they're a little older. My oldest is 3, and I got a 1.5. So you got 2 under 3, 2 toddlers. This boat is a lot slower than it seemed like in the videos. Hopefully y'all are in frame. I'm trying to move my head down a little bit just to make sure I'm getting it. I mean, it's doing yacht stuff, I guess, just cruising around. It'll be a good shelf boat. Probably don't have to worry about temps going 5 miles an hour, so I'm just gonna run this battery down and try another run on the Blackjack. Seems like it's dipping down. I don't know if that's the battery or what. Actually, let's see how it turns when it stops, because this rudder is kind of right next to the prop. Actually has pretty good turning for slow speed. That's kind of cool. I don't know if it's worth the money I paid for it, but I know TFL has one, and it's the TFL Princess or something. It looks pretty cool, but I'm not paying $700 for a freaking yacht. All right, we'll just let that one sit there. We'll go for another run on the Blackjack. Motor's not too bad. So what was my last one? In the mid 70s on this today. Let's at least do 80. Come on, Blackjack. I know you got it. I don't know how you're going slower on a bigger prop, but that's the game, I guess. It's actually a nice day today. Not too bad. I'm waiting for it to get cooler out here. We're in Florida, so it's hot as shit most of the year. We get our like 2 or 3 months of in the 70s, and that's our winter. And it's so nice, but another month or so. In case you're all wondering why I have to use skinny tape on the side and the back, it's because this antenna right here and these exit ports for the water. If I use the large tape, it won't fit between those two. I have to kind of use this skinny tape right here. And hopefully y'all are in frame. If I use the bigger tape, it'll plug up these holes. And eventually I'm gonna work this camera out a little bit and try to learn how to do some editing, because I have no idea how to do any of that. Did I not turn it on? I guarantee I didn't turn it on. Oh, it's on, sweet. Okay. Wind's picking up, so we're gonna go down there and do another pass. Alright, linear throttle, linear throttle, linear throttle. I got on it for a little bit. It was pretty much full throttle for about 3 or 4 seconds. Bring her back. I'm thinking the canard is really slowing it down, creating a lot of drag. Oh, and I didn't even set the GPS. Unbelievable. It's frustrating. Track, start. That was a good pass too. God damn it. All right, well, let's try it again. Some of y'all probably watching and like, dude, you gotta set your GPS before you run. No, I'm not. All right, linear throttle, linear throttle. We got on it probably a little bit where that workout equipment is. It was at full throttle, so we'll see what that was. At least it's staying down. All right, we'll see what that one is. Stop. Read. 85. Woo! Tied for the fastest blackjack. Fastest known blackjack. Woo! Hopefully y'all can see that. I gotta screenshot that. Oh, I'm so happy right now. All right, I gotta take the camera off and make sure you guys can see that. Hold on. 85 miles an hour. Woo! Oh man. All right, I'm gonna stop the video there just so it make sure this one saves because it's getting long. I'm gonna put it back on in a second. We're gonna go again.